Welcome back to my channel, Faiza's Kitchen, and today I'll be making very tasty steamed cabbage. Our ingredients for today are onions, garlic ginger paste, bell pepper, some grated carrots, cabbage. In a pan, add some oil. Add your onions and fry, but before they turn to golden brown, add some turmeric powder, about 1 teaspoonful. Mix well. Add cabbage bit by bit. Mix well. Do not overmix because we don't want our cabbage to break. At this time we can add salt as desired. This depends on how much cabbage you're making. I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, and this will give it a great taste and aroma. Add carrots. Continue mixing and make sure you are cooking on low heat. Lastly, I'm going to add bell pepper, and I'm going to cook this cabbage for 5 to 7 minutes now. We want this cabbage crunchy and very tasty. Our cabbage is almost ready. Sprinkle some all-purpose seasoning, and you can serve it with anything of your choice. Please do not forget to like this video, share, comment, and if this is your first time to visit my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos, and see you on my next video.